Oh my goodness, I have been wanting one of these for so long. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this dog grooming table. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This thing is amazing. And this is the best part right here. You ready for it? Ready for it? Can you see what it's doing? It raises and lowers with the push of a pedal. I cannot tell you guys how awesome that alone is. And it also has a remote. So you can use the remote to raise it and lower it as well. Eleanor's like, whoa. Now I don't have her hooked up there. I also have it nice and low so she was able to jump up here on her own. She's checking it out for the first time. What do you think? You can get down. I just wanted to show everybody. So it's got this really nice non-slip rubber coated mat on here. This is awesome. I'm going to show you some of the other features that it has. It came with this kit. I didn't open it all, but there is a comb. There's a couple of pairs of scissors, some really nice grooming scissors in here. This is a finishing comb. Comes in a really nice case to hold everything in. This here you can use to hold all kinds of products. Your scissors, you know, whatever you need for your dogs. It looks like you could put your hair dryer right here if you wanted to, which is pretty cool. Oh, that pops out? Check that out. I didn't even know that did that.
If you wanted the more
stylish check look. That out. So you can flip it over.
So this way, nice cleans off really good. Easy.
The only thing about this is going to be more slippery, but if you're using it to like style your dog and things like that, that probably wouldn't be too bad for them to stand on. How cool. We did have to assemble this when it came to us. Assembly did not take long, maybe what, 15 minutes?
I would say it was pretty much fully assembled.
Yeah, we pretty much had to put these little pieces on and then the bar, of course, which comes on and off. Speaking of these little pieces, there's a little basket here where you can store stuff as you're grooming. Over here, you have, check this out, there's all these USB plugs, and then there's these plugs here, which may look strange, but they do fit standard plugs. So if you have if you have your trimmers or anything that needs to be charged, can be charged here, or they can be powered here, or you can have powered trimmers that plug in like this. You can plug them in right there, which is really convenient. The table has to be plugged in anyway because of the electricity for this. So it's just one plug, powers this, and powers all of this. So that's really nice as well. So I now have it in the lowest position. Eleanor, you want to get up here? Get up there. She's like, oh, maybe I could get up here. So this is as low as it goes, which actually is pretty cool. I will say you probably, she's like, no, Dad, no. You probably don't want to move it up and down while your pets are on it unless they're used to it. You can tell, see, Eleanor is just now getting on this table. But if you have a pet that's brand new to this, I don't know that I would move it up and down because you don't want to scare them too much. Go ahead and lift it all the way up so we can show.
Oh, if you're tall, it can get pretty.
Eleanor's like, whoa, don't go under there, thanks. So we're going to lift it all the way up so you guys can actually see how high it gets. It's got nice fluid motion. It's not loud when it moves up and down. See, so this right here, stop for a second, would be about my height. I'm 5'1", so this would be perfect for me for being able to groom the dogs here. Keep on going. It gets really tall, which is pretty cool. And even having it be a little bit taller, you know, if you can pick the dogs up and put them on there, it'd be a lot easier to work on their bellies and their nails. That's it?
Yep, it does have an auto shut off.
Nice.
So once it reaches the max height, that shuts off.
That is so cool.
But yeah, even for me, this is...
Yeah, that would be better for you. Yeah, where like, look at how much shorter it needed to be for me.
Right.
So yeah, so pretty much any height. It does have adjustable feet as well, so you can always make sure that it's level. This is really nice. Really nice. I really like this. I don't know that it's going to stay right here in the garage, but this was the perfect place to showcase this for you guys. And there she is. So I have her up on there now. I only have the one little loop around her. So this has the 2 loops that it comes with, and they clip right up in here, which is nice. Makes it nice and easy to clip up in here. And there is 2 loop clips, so you can use these as a neck loop for the front. You could use this for the back end as well. My dog's a little bit too short for that, but you can also get different loops to work for things like that. In conclusion, this is awesome. This is definitely going to get used at our house. We are very excited about it. If you are a groomer or if you groom all the time at home, this thing could be amazing for you. We recommend it. Eleanor's like, I'm the best little model ever. Look how cute I am. You are stinking cute.